This is my traditional Cantonese food recipe for stir-fried sticky rice. Hey my foodie friends, welcome back to my cooking channel, where we embark on a culinary journey to excite your taste buds. Among the many videos on YouTube sharing stir-fried glutinous rice, what is the difference between this fried glutinous rice video I shared? Stir-fried glutinous rice is a classic dim sum with a long history in Chinese restaurants. Traditionally, this cooking method is time-consuming and laborious, similar to how risotto is cooked from raw to cooked. But the videos we often see on YouTube all use a simple and convenient cheat method. First cook the sticky rice and then stir-fry it. However, today I devoutly follow the traditional method to share this fried glutinous rice dish, so that everyone can understand the traditional classic raw fried glutinous rice, of course. At the end of the video, I will also share the simplest and most convenient method with zero skills. Be sure to watch the end. There are many versions of stir-fried glutinous rice recipes on the internet, and the version we introduce today is chewy glutinous rice with juicy and delicious pork belly, Chinese sausage, and surprises that will be discussed later. First, let's learn the tip of glutinous rice preparation before making traditional stir-fry. Rinse the glutinous rice well and soak it in water for 1 hour. Of course, as usual, we wash the rice 3 times before soaking. After soaking the glutinous rice, use this colander to drain the water. Note that the soaking time of glutinous rice should not be too long. 1 to 2 hours is the best. This ensures the rice is plump, happy, and ready to soak up all those delicious flavors later on. This will make it easier to fry glutinous rice. Wash the dried shrimp in clean water and drain. Then, soak the dried shrimp in warm water, which will help them soften up faster than if they were to soak in cold water. Similarly, wash the dried shiitake mushrooms, drain, and then soak in warm water to rehydrate and soften. They should be soft and ready to cut. We'll first cut them into thin slices, then rotate go degrees to dice into small pieces. After prepare dried ingredients, we'll cut cured meats. Wait. I still want to remind, do not throw away the water-soaking dried ingredients, because it will play an important role in the future. In Guangdong, raw fried glutinous rice is also called la mei glutinous rice. La mei is pickled food. Today we use 2 kinds of preserved meat: lapcheong, Chinese sausage, and lapyuk, cured meat. Curing meat with salt was popular in China hundreds of years ago, although it was to preserve excess food or to make food transportation more convenient. Now it is specially made for the unique taste of cured meat. In the eyes of Cantonese, glutinous rice without lapcheong is soulless. Chinese sausage is the main ingredient of glutinous rice. Then we started cutting the cured meat. Cut the cured pork belly into strips, and then dice into small pieces. Make the pieces a similar size and shape to the diced mushrooms. Chop the Chinese sausage the same way. Cut into strips, then diced into small pieces. If you want to learn more about Cantonese cuisine, please follow our channel. We will share Cantonese cuisine recipes and related knowledge step by step every week. When the ingredients are done prepare, it's time to start stir-frying everything together. Heat your wok or pan on high. When it's hot, or after about 30 seconds, add oil and give it a swirl to coat. When the oil ripples, or after 40 to 50 seconds, add all ingredients. Stir-fry the ingredients on low heat for 1 to 2 minutes, then add minced ginger. Stir-fry for another 30 seconds until the ingredients turn golden brown and release the aroma and oil, and then scoop everything out and onto a plate. Glutinous rice is traditionally considered to have the effect of warming the stomach. It's also a must-order for dim sum, but it's also very often made at home. We usually eat glutinous rice during the 2 traditional Chinese solar terms of major cold and minor cold to make our bodies feel warm. Great Cold is the last of the 21st solar terms in traditional China, and it is also the coldest day of the year. So on this day, some areas of Guangdong will have the custom of eating glutinous rice. Although the sticky rice is similar to another classic sticky rice chicken, however, lo mai gai has chicken and salted eggs, and is wrapped in lotus leaves and steamed. It's a bit more labor and time-intensive than this Cantonese sticky rice lo mai fan recipe. Now once the ingredients is done cooking, we start frying sticky rice. After the ingredients are evenly stir-fried, add the glutinous rice directly, and stir to make the rice be coated with the oil released by the ingredients. Then add water to tablespoons at a time and stir-fry over medium heat. When the water is almost dry, add more water. Repeat the process of stirring and spreading the rice 3 times, adding 2 tablespoons of water each time. After repeating 3 times, try to spread the glutinous rice in a thin layer and cook it evenly over medium heat. Cover and simmer for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add rice wine and 2 tablespoons of water and simmer for another 5 minutes until the rice is fully cooked. After the rice is cooked, stir-fry and mix everything for 2.5 minutes. Stir well and add seasoning, remembering to taste for yourself and adjust to personal taste. Finally, turn off the heat, add chopped peanuts and chives, and stir well. Stir-fried glutinous rice is not only scrumptious, but it's also a culinary adventure filled with fun and flavor. So go ahead, make it your own, add your twist, and enjoy the stir-fry shimmy in your kitchen. See you next time. Wait, I seem to have forgotten something. Correct. I would also like to introduce you to one of the simplest and most convenient zero skills to live with glutinous rice. Let's find out together. You can use an electric rice cooker to cook the glutinous rice first. Then mix the fried ingredients into the rice in the rice cooker. Stir well with chopsticks and enjoy the deliciousness. Congratulations to you who watched the video here, because you have mastered 2 different ways to make sticky rice. Yes, this time is really over. It's really time to say goodbye. Let's see you next time. Finally, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let's explore the deliciousness of Cantonese cuisine together.